Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today I'm going to show you the new flagship model from Huawei. This is the Huawei Pura80Pro Plus Kunlun Glass and HarmonyOS powered flagship model from Huawei. And this time we have the 60GB RAM plus 1TB ROM red color edition. So today I'm going to have a quick unboxing and hands-on video about this flagship model and super powerful camera device from Huawei. And next, let's open it and check what's inside the box. So okay, after we open the box, here is a smartphone. Okay, let's check it later. Now it's well protected in the smartphone protector and under the device. Okay, yes, let's check what's under the smartphone. So yes, here is another small box, and here is a SIM card ejector. As we can see, this is a normal design SIM card ejector. Okay, nothing special. And here inside the box, okay, nothing left in the box. Let's put it aside, and here we find the this is the, I think it's a user manual and quick start guide. Yes, here we can find the smartphone basic information and also the transparent case. Okay, it's a hard case. Actually, it looks a bit cheaper. It's just a normal case and a little blurred for the that kind of sand polishing for the case. Okay, so okay, this is a case for the Pura80Pro. And next, okay, let's check this. This is a charger. This time for the Huawei Pura80Pro Plus, provide a 100-watt capable fast charging. And this is a charger, and also it support 80-watt wireless fast charging, and also it support 80-watt reverse charging. And this is a Type C to Type C cable. Yes, so this is the cable, nothing special. Okay, let's put it back. And okay, so this is all the stuff: case, user manual, smartphone, charger, cable, all the stuff inside the box. And next, let's go to today's highlight, the Huawei Pura80Pro. And this time we have the red color, and this is a shining and glossy back panel. And for this kind of back panel, it's easy to left your fingerprint on it. And all this time for the camera zone, camera decal inherit the Pura series classic design, and this time they use the triple real camera solution. And the frame is a metal frame with curved frame, and the dimension about the device is 8.3 mm thickness and 163 mm length and 76.1 mm width, and the weight is just 219 grams. Yes, and the curved screen, and it's covered by the second generation Kunlun temperate glass, and it can be more durable and anti-scratcher. And it's 6.8-inch OLED micro curved screen, and it's just the brightness. And this time for the display resolution is 2848 by 1260 76. It's a full HD plus screen. It's a volt PPI is 460. Yes, so yes, nice. This is a shortcut button to turn on the flashlight, also the camera. So this is a HarmonyOS, and this time is the latest HarmonyOS 5.1. Okay, let's go to the settings to check more information about the device. So HarmonyOS 5.1, and also this time they use the Kirin 9020 enhanced chip, and also it's about the 16GB RAM plus 1TB RAM. And this time I buy I buy its high rate specification. And also the other information about the device. And also we can go to the satellite. It supports dual satellite, Beidou, dual LAN message support, and 10-tone satellite communication supported, talking communication supported, and use the second generation Lingxi communication technology. It can get more stable and powerful signal, and also support 5G NFC infrared blaster and Starlink technology developed by Huawei. And about the screen, as I mentioned, use the 6.8-inch OLED micro-curved screen, and also support 120 Hz refresh rate maximum, and also LTPO refresh rate, and also 1440 Hz high frequency PWM brightness adjustment, and also the battery 5700 mAh battery with 100 watt capable fast charging and 80 watt wireless fast charging, and also the 18 watt reverse fast charging. Yes, and also it houses the HarmonyOS AI system, Celia, and also the mid-time communication. Also, this is very similar to the Apple FaceTime, so no matter not only the Celia and also the mid-time, it's similar to the Apple Siri and FaceTime, but it's different and more powerful than the Apple's currently. And also the biggest and features about the device for the Pure series is the camera, and here's the model we support, Pro mode, and here we can find the HD, panorama, macro, and also light painting. Okay, it's for some special occasions, light painting. And this time for the mid camera is a 50 megapixel 1-inch film f1.6 OIS supported camera, and the telephoto is 48 megapixel f2.1 4x optical zoom and OIS supported, and the wide angle is 40 megapixel f2.2, and also the assistant camera is 1.5 millimeter Hongfeng camera, and maximum 100 times zoom and 4K video recording. Now we can test a very simple test, because at the first part of my video I've tested the night, and also I've tested the telephoto, so you can have more details and more content about the camera at the rest of part of the video. Later I will show you. So this is the selfie 30 megapixel self camera, and also it supports wide angle and f2.1 aperture. Pixel maximum pixel 4160 by 3120. So yes, super powerful snapshot, night portrait photo. Okay, so this is the main introduction about the camera part, and next I'm going to show you the sample pictures of the camera. Wide angle, okay, the normal, the zoom, maximum 100 times, in which find the details of the mantle, the box, the mantle box and the frame, selfie, the front camera, yeah. And next, okay, let's try the Huawei Pura80Pro Plus camera again. Yes, this is a outdoor test. Okay, let's enjoy this part. Okay, so the two buildings from my place to that building is around 150 to 200 meters. So now I'm testing the camera photo wide angle. Also, I will put some pictures that you should check the camera performance. And also for the main camera, the 1-inch film, it can get enough light to the sensor, and also it's work with the home phone original camera. So no matter the day or the night, you get the original colors, and also the telephoto camera can support the super long distance shooting, and we can also get details, and also it support macro, and I will show you the macro in another video, and also 4 times optical zoom, and even you zoom 50 many times, you can also find the details, and also the wide angle, the night, and also after you taking the photo, the picture, is the AI will work together work together. Yes, so we can get a automatic optimization from the AI. Okay, let's enjoy it. Okay, now guys, welcome back, and now let's testing the night mode of this super camera device, Huawei Pura80Pro Plus. I will turn off the light, and we can check the inside, indoor and outdoor performance of this super camera phone from Huawei, the Huawei Pura80Pro Plus. Now this is the normal. I turn off the light. You can find the difference, so you can enjoy the videos.